Hello, my name is Rimantas, I'm yoga teacher from Lithuania, and today I'm going to show you how to play and sing mantra Ong Namo Gurudev Namo. From the beginning I will play it, and after that I will show you the chords. Ong Namo Gurudev Namo. Ong Namo Gurudev Namo. Gurudev Gurudev Namo. Gurudev Gurudev Namo. Gurudev Gurudev Namo. Gurudev Gurudev Namo. Ong Namo, and so on. And we can repeat it as many times as we want. So now the chords. I played, let's start from the right hand maybe. I played on the strings, like one finger, one string. Okay, and now the chords. First chord is C. Second chord is AM. Third chord is F. Last chord is C. And let's try together. Ong Namo Gurudev Namo. Gurudev Namo. Gurudev Gurudev Namo. Gurudev Gurudev Namo. Gurudev Gurudev Namo. Gurudev Gurudev Namo. One more time now with chords. C. Ong Na AM. Mo. Now F. Gurudev. And Na, and again C. Mo. C. Ong Na AM. Mo. F. Gurudev Namo. C. One more time, C. Gurudev, Gurudev Na, A-M, Mo, F. Gurudev, Gurudev Na, C. Mo, C. Gurudev, Gurudev Na, A-M, Mo, F. Gurudev, Gurudev Na, C. Mo. You can play this. You can play this mantra by fingers. You can play it like Gurudev Namo. You can find the rhythm you want. You can find the rhythm that suits your needs. So that's all. If you have any question related to this mantra, if you have any question related to how to play this mantra, feel free to write comment below this video. Feel free to subscribe to this channel to see more videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.